Today we're going to talk about tool bags. A lot of people opt for plastic toolboxes. They may find them lighter than metal, so if the weight of metal toolbox is a problem for you, and you're opting for plastic, a canvas tool bag may be just for you. Fortunately, this came in plastic. Just unwrapped it. This is a Klein Tools tool bag. It is 20 inches, has leather straps and handles with a leather buckle at the top to keep things together. If you open it up, it's got a metal frame, and then it has a variety of pockets on the inside, smaller pockets on the obverse side, and one pocket in the front for something that's easy to grab. This is very heavy duty canvas, leather bottom with some studs on the bottom to help it absorb wear and tear on the ground. And this is made in the USA.